What is wrong with you? Huh? You wanna die? I could have killed you, you know. What is wrong with you? Babe, I'm sorry, I have to go. I have a deadline I have to meet up with.
Come on, babe. When will you enjoy eating breakfast again?
Soon, okay? Soon. Oh. It's just that something came up and it's really important I get to work immediately. But you know I love you, right? And if there was tea here, I would have just taken a sip, but no tea.
Then you should wait and have some.
I can't wait, I have to go, okay? I love you.
Right.
Take care, I love you. See you soon.
Love you too. Don't work too hard, okay?
I won't! Take care of yourself.
Bye. Debbie? Debbie?
Yes, ma'am.
Take this to the kitchen.
So,
yeah.
Your head, yes. One day. Just one day, very soon.
I beg you, that's why you they talk. One day, no they ever reach. You never find it. You want to sleep, don't do woman.
Go for food, I beg you. Maybe, you could just say, I might be going to school market for me, just stand there. Hi, girl.
Hi.
Hello.
And I know they do woman.
Calm down. I am here for something else. I have a big deal. Big deal. Huge money involved. And I'm sure you love it. 1 hour.
So and when you talk, say huge money they involved.
Well, let me have your contact. And I'll call you and talk about it.
Okay. It's I get you. And I know they look me from head to toe. I know they do woman. You two calm down. Let's see happen. Your body just they sweet you. They go, I don't hear it. Listen now. Oh no, she say it dey very serious. I give her my number now. But I tell am say if na woman, I know they do but my friend.
You sure?
You go run am now.
No, your eyes no correct.
Just say man, I know they too see you. So you like say enter the woman part and shake it. Bros are cheap tonight, oh! You want
When I look into your eyes, I see my forever. Every smile, every breath makes my heart surrender. You came like the sunrise.
I don't know why my mama and papa go die. Leave only me to take care of my younger ones. Responsibility choke.
Fear to God who made me. If I find big money like this for my hand, I don't run come out for this kind of life. See as person they work out from night till morning, they find clients. Why now? With who we offend?
I don't tire.
You know easy, I beg. I don't tire. I don't want to do it again.
I do you talk and you do again. Hello? Oh, okay. I'll meet you tomorrow.
A client?
No. Now that woman wey meet us last night.
Woman?
Mm-hmm.
We know they do woman work now. My hand no there, I beg. Ah.
You don't see me do woman work before. She say no be that kind of thing. And the woman, they very serious.
You sure?
Yes, now. Guess what? She say big money they involved. Girl, for this hard time, I go do anything where she say make I do. For this hard time, I don't have her. Big money, yo.
You sure?
Yes, now. Which one be you sure? I don't lie for you before.
I did. I mean, yeah? Yeah? You sure? No land us for trouble. If we're Kasala boss, I could deny you. Straight.
What's the worry this one? Money where person won't give me, they say you day in. I don't know which one you are now. You go just say if I get her, make I give you small. You say you day for here.
Mind yourself for me and tell.
Now 5% I go dash you based on my gear now. You never even find out the deal. They thought say you day inside.
Na big money now. We won't change our life.
Yeah, let me tell you.
I don't tell you this thing. I don't like him. Eh? Every time, same problem. But you fixed this thing the last time. Why you do like this now? Let's say just like make I come, they call you every time. See this embarrassment way they call me now.
How about now?
Oh, bro, I think, man. I don't just be happy, man. This cannot be happen. Eh? No, my mechanic is here to fix it, man. I don't know, man.
No, then come, let's go now. No need to go for work. Huh?
Well, sharp. Make sure. See, when you're done with this thing, take it to me. Okay? Pack it for me. And make sure you fix this thing well, please. No problem. Please go well, no problem.
Who's this guy?
He is my ex-fiance. We were supposed to get married in the US. But things got sour. We entered into a business deal, agreed to split $500,000. But he took everything, disappeared with the money and returned to Nigeria to marry someone else. I want you to deal with him. That's wickedness. Ah, man. Just look at him. He looks like a womanizer. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. So, what am I supposed to do for you? Good.
I'm back. Alpha, please, just me. Where did you go? Girl, this woman mean business. She offered to give me 10 million naira. 10 million? Yes, so. See your mouth, my lie. This is how they play. 10 million naira. She don't send me 2 million already. If I see 5 million, why I go this week? See naira, see my account balance. 10 million, 100,000. And they say 1 million. Give me my phone. Look at this one. Give me my phone. Babe, what did you do now? No, be scam. She promised to give me the remaining 8 million naira after I do the deal. So wait. The deal? What's the deal? To go to the man's house, go collect the documents now. But now they had a problem there. I want to go to my house. Not true. Dog fit by person. Abi? Which dog? Rosie, why your brain too dead dog? You go think of another thing, think of dog.
We need to plan. I won't take enter the man house.
See, we must find a way. There must be a way. This money cannot pass me by. I'll just die. Wallahi, God knows. I will die.
Oh, yeah, start to think now. Start to think of what we go do.
I think.
Like, seriously, I can't believe you're eating breakfast with me and I'm running out the door like a man on fire.
Well, I'm really trying to make history.
Like, seriously, who are you? And what have you done with my husband?
Well, I'm just a husband trying to do what every correct husband, correct sense should do. Be present.
Of course.
I'm like a robot in my marriage.
Okay, Mr. Presence. I greet you, sir.
Oh my God.
Babe, I have to go. Something came up.
I knew it.
Something came up.
I knew it.
So, I will see you later. Okay? I'll see you, right? Oh,
My phone.
bye.
It's fine, bye. Where do I start?
What is wrong with you? Huh? You wanna die? I could have killed you, you know. What is wrong with you?
Sir, if you want to kill me,
You're blind.
sir, please. Just go ahead and kill me. I'm tired of this life. Just kill me if you want to kill me.
It's okay. Nobody's killing you today, okay? How did you get here?
I left the house where I live with my friend. Every day she keeps reminding me of how much of a burden I am to her. I'm tired.
Look, it's okay. What about family or relatives? Do you have any?
My parents are late. And my siblings don't want me to stay with them.
All right, it's okay. Is it okay if I take you to my house? I live just within the estate here. I can take you to my house and you can just wait there while I figure something out for you. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Do you know if you live within the estate or not?
Yes, I don't even know where I am. I've been walking.
Fine. Just come with me, okay? Come. No, it's this way. This way. Okay? Just follow my voice.
baby.
Hey.
Good day, ma.
Yeah.
Good day. Babe, who is this?
She's a blind girl I almost ran into on my way to work. So I just brought her back home so she can stay here and wait till I can find where she stays. Okay?
Thank you so much for helping me, sir.
It's okay. Yeah.
I do understand, babe. I mean, how can you bring a stranger into our home?
She's blind and, she was having thoughts of suicide, so I am just helping out. Doing what anyone would do.
A blind girl with lashes, nails, all those things.
She's blind, okay?
Come on, baby.
That's not for us to worry about. Babe,
don't be ridiculous.
I'm not being ridiculous. We need to help her, okay? And I need to get to work. I'm running late. Debbie?
Babe, you need to listen to what? This isn't right.
Yeah.
Like, why would you bring a stranger into a home? What's that?
It's not about okay? She stays.
No.
When I come back, we'll figure out where she... Debbie, make sure you take her to the guest room so she's comfortable. When I come back,
are you serious right now? Babe, stop it.
I have to go, okay?
Babe, you cannot just leave her here. How can you bring a stranger into our home?
See you later, baby. Love you.
Where are you taking her to? To her room, ma. You. I don't have your time yet.
Yes, Francis. Do you need anything?
No, thank you. I just want to sleep.
Okay, I'll come back and check on you later.
Thank you.
Hello? Babe, how far? Oh, you got into the house? Darling girl, Disney, what's up? How is it going?
Girl, this guy is so handsome. Damn.
Huh? Sophie, are you playing with me? See, better keep your head straight. I don't even want to hear nonsense. Girl, if hunger no dey wire you, if they wire me not today, is this the first time you've seen a fine boy? We dey see fine boy for street every day. Keep your head straight or no play with me. See me now. I be fine girl, I not supposed to suffer. My life not supposed to be like this. See, now the mola we want.
The fact that he's too easy to get. Girl, this guy is so soft.
Please, I'm begging you. If there's anything you need, I will kneel down for you if you want. If there's anything you need, I will run it from here. From my end, I will cover you. But please now, please. Please just focus, yeah? I beg.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, great girl. Hey, we done! Correct. All right. Keep your focus straight. You dey hear me so? Hey, fine girl. We done.
You are in the house now, right? Call me as soon as you get the papers from this room. Don't rush. Take your time. I don't care how long it's going to take, but what I know is I want this job done and done right. One more thing. Don't be caught. Very important. Make sure you are not caught. If you are caught, you're on your own. I trust you will execute this job, and that is why I came for you.
You know, I almost ran into this girl today that was trying to end her life.
Eh? How? Why?
She said she was just tired of not being able to see the world for what it really looks like, and that her friend she stays with maltreats her, speaks to her like she's nothing, you know, says that she's a burden to her. So I think she's just dealing with real life issues.
Wow.
Yep.
That's really awful. So where is she now?
My place.
Your place? Like you really took her to your place?
Yeah, she's at my place. Look, she sounded like she wanted to end her life. And she has nobody, no family, you know, her friend is a decoration on the wall, basically. And most importantly, she sounds like a kind person, so I couldn't just leave her there like that. I had to help her in some kind of way. Yeah.
Wait. So what do you want to do now? Will you take her to the police? Because I feel that's the best thing to do.
I don't know, man. Because taking her to the police, they might really might not do anything. And she says she's an orphan. She doesn't have a family. Plus, her friend is not her life like that. So where does she go? I just feel like my spirit just moves to help her. You know what I mean? I just can't leave her like that. She's a beautiful girl, but I mean, that aside, I want to help her.
Yeah. See, if you ask me, in a situation like this, I just feel you should let her go. Like seriously, let her go, bro.
Do you think that being a true lover of the Lord is by going to church? You have to show love in different ways. So what would I gain if I saw that girl kill herself? Or she left there and I was not there for her and then something happens to her? I would have this guilt forever. So I just thought to myself, you know, why can't I be in her life in some kind of way? Help her. Save her life. Huh?
Bro, I don't know what to say. Seriously. I'm serious.
Bro.
Because I feel like this thing is not healthy at all. What you're saying now.
She's blind. She cannot see. She has no one. She wants to end her life. And I feel like I am the angel God sent to help her. So I have to be there for her. I have to help her, okay?
Mr. Good Samaritan. Okay. Bro, I don't talk with her if you talk. I don't know what I won't talk again, but
I don't hear you know what.
Everything is in your hands. Yeah, you know what to do, so
When I say rain before today.
Come on, yeah, the weather.
Just the one kind. But I like the weather, sure.
Yeah, you. Where are you from? And your friend you talked about, who is she? Why did she chase you out?
Babe, can we just eat?
Babe, she's in my house, so I need to know who she is. Who are you?
Sir, please. If my presence in your house is making your wife uncomfortable, let me just go.
Sophie,
please.
Be calm, okay? You're going nowhere.
What?
She's going nowhere.
Look, first thing tomorrow morning, you're leaving my house.
She's going nowhere.
Then let's see how it goes. I'll be waiting for you in the bedroom.
Sophie, it's okay. Just eat your food. You're not going anywhere. Okay? Eat your food. You're a good person. I don't know why she just can't see it. You don't deserve all of these things coming your way. Please eat. Alright? Okay.
Why did you bring a stranger into our house without my consent? You need to take her out.
I told you this girl needs help. She needs help. She was about to commit suicide. Would you be happier if you hear tomorrow that girl committed suicide or she's dead by the roadside from an accident?
What do I care? No, tell me. What do I care? Why do you even care so much? Oh, you want to play savior by bringing in a stranger into our home? Huh?
Why are you this cold?
Oh, please. Why will you bring a stranger into this house? Tell me. What are you even thinking, bringing a stranger into our home with all these things happening around? Alex, she leaves this house tomorrow. I don't know how you want to do it, but she's going to leave here tomorrow.
For Christ's sake, that girl is blind. She is helpless.
And so? Oh, you want to play king of heroes so that I can applaud you? Is that what you want?
Honestly speaking, I can never believe that you're this cold of a human being.
She leaves this house tomorrow.
Honestly, I didn't know you were this cold of a human being. I never saw that coming. One is blind. She's helpless, for Christ's sake.
Yes, so girl. Now my body go rest small. I beg you, go hustle. Ashi. Yes, so the only problem I have in this house is this man's wife. Since I come this place, body just a pepper hack. And now, but if she continue, I will find way to get rid of her. I beg, make nobody come put some sand for my garri. Won't be saying me this woman no try me. Because I will forget money, beat her black and blue. You know me say I get bad character. This girl. Oh yeah, now. Go hustle. I go talk to you tomorrow, yeah? Hey. I beg, send me some more airtime so I go free call you later. I shall. Alright, babe, later. Thank you.
Get out! I said you should leave my house. Move! Move! I said you come and get out. Get out! Get out! If you break this thing, leave my house.
What's going on here? Shut up! What's wrong with you?
Babe, this girl needs
What's
to
wrong
leave
with you?
She needs to leave this house.
Last time I checked, I'm not in this house, okay? I make the rules here, not you.
Really?
She's going nowhere.
How can you bring in a stranger into our house? What is going on? Babe, a lot is happening in the world. Bad things are happening. She needs to leave.
Bad things are happening, right? People like you are the reason why bad things happen in this world. This is a poor blind girl. And you're being this harsh to her instead of helping her. No empathy, nothing. Look, she's going nowhere, okay? She is going nowhere. She's a blind girl, for Christ's sake. You just cannot see.
She needs to leave.
Leave to where?
The world is body come bringing a stranger into this house.
Hey, look, listen. She is going nowhere.
Babe, she needs to leave this house.
Look, she's going nowhere, okay? She is blind.
Babe, she needs... Leave my house. I saw this. Hey, I've never seen anything like this before. Is this fun?
Come in.
Hey. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yeah. I got some new clothes. Here. It's right here. There you go. Yeah, it's too bad that you can't see them, but they're really beautiful. I took my time to select them.
Sir, I don't know what I've done to deserve such kindness from you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. I just want to say that the world is a very beautiful place, regardless of what anyone has told you about it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah, your friend, do you still have a number? I would like to reach out to her. It's kind of important.
Sir, her number has been switched off for a week now.
Oh. Can I still have it? Let me just try. Okay.
081
Yeah.
444 63 270.
Okay. You got it. 1 second. Oh. Switched off. It's alright. Make yourself comfortable. If you need anything, just ask the housekeeper. Or you can just reach out to me, okay? I'm here for you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Should I help you with anything?
No, sir.
You're good. Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, bye.
Yeah, Debbie, I am off to work, okay? And make sure to keep an eye on that girl. Do not give her my food.
Okay, ma.
Got it?
Yes, ma.
And also, don't let her to be comfortable. Okay?
Okay, ma.
Take care of the house.
Where are you going to? I'm very hungry. Can you give me food to eat? There's no food for you. My madam said there is no food for you. That's her orders, and I can't go against it. Please, just give me a little food. Even if it's your own share, please. I'm really hungry. And I said there is no food for you. But I've not eaten since morning. Please. I said there is no food. Where are you going?
I'm going to my room.
Turn around. That's not your room.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, baby girl. Are you trying to tell me you haven't eaten since morning? Jesus Christ. That woman is mean. Wicked Jezebel. Huh? See, from the look of things, she's going to give us a hard time. Huh? What's the plan? Fantastic idea. Of course, I dare your back. Full ground. Don't worry, I go run for this side. You don't trust your babe again. I shall be work. No be work, I beg na management. Alright, baby. Sorry, yeah? Bele, don't worry. Once he comes back home, just tell him. You know, do your face like that. You know the way you usually do it, eh? Ashawa. No, but I'm serious. Keep your face like that and tell him you've not eaten. I'm sure the house will catch fire. It will work, die. You don't already work. I believe you die. I believe you. Wag your tail now and all those things you have on your backside. What is it for?
Debbie. Debbie?
Ma? Yes, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Why are you sleeping here like this?
Ma?
Why are you here?
Ma, I just sat to rest my head and I dozed off.
Is my husband back?
No, ma.
Okay, make dinner. He'll be back soon.
Okay, ma.
And where is that blind intruder?
In her room, ma.
I hope you didn't give her my food.
No.
You're sure?
Yes, ma.
Good. Fix dinner immediately. My husband will be back soon.
Okay, ma.
Where is Sophie's food?
Sir, Madam said I should not give her food.
Madam said you should not give her food.
Yes.
Has she eaten all day? So why on earth would Madam tell you not to give her food?
I asked her not to give her food.
You asked her not to give her food?
Yes.
And why, if I may ask?
She's a stranger. She's not supposed to be eaten here.
Sharon, we are not unkind people, okay? And we will not be unkind. You have no right to starve her in our house.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? You're starving her in our house?
You don't expect me to give her my food to eat.
Oh, so what? She should starve?
I don't care.
You don't care? Okay.
Sophie, it's okay.
It is not okay for you to starve. Okay? You know what? It's okay. You can...
Ow. Baby, what is this?
Rice must too.
Don't let me slap you.
What's the problem?
This food is salty.
No, ma.
Wait, while you guys are at this, we need to go eat. I'm starving, she's starving. We need to eat something. Okay, like, how can
I don't understand, babe. What are you trying to do?
Don't you understand?
What are you trying to do? You want to leave with her to go eat out?
She is hungry.
Then what about me?
I am hungry. If you're hungry, you can join us in the car.
There is no way she will go anywhere with us.
Let's go.
Babe, where do you think you're going?
Stand up. It's okay. Stand. It's alright. It's okay. Let's go eat somewhere. Stand up, please. There you go. It's alright. Just come. Hey. It's okay. Alright, let's go. Just come. It's okay.
Alex, are you seriously doing this?
Yes, I am doing it. Watch.
Don't let me slap you. Take this thing out. Is this happening for real?
I'm still wondering how this food got salty. But I know what I prepared. This is not what I cooked. Hey, and now there are faults because of this food. Hey, where's my salt? Hey, this is not my food.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have let things go this far. I'm sorry. Babe. I'm sorry. Can we at least fix this?
You picked her over me. And you want me to forgive you just like that? Must you help her? Fine. She needs help. Why must it be you? You want to help her knowing how it makes me feel.
You know, I never meant to hurt you. Let's fix this. Can we at least talk?
Just leave me alone.
Baby.
Please, don't come close to me tonight.
Hey, babe. How are you?
I'm good, baby. What is it?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah. How was your day?
Fine. I didn't have so much to do at the office, so I came back home early.
Okay.
And you? Why are you home so early?
Oh.
And what were you hiding?
Nothing. I was just trying to make sure that my clothes was trying to fall down, so I was just trying to arrange it and be sure that it, you know, like it doesn't fall.
You know you are lying.
I'm not lying, man.
Can you just... Excuse me, babe. Come on. Excuse me. You were hiding something just now. Ooh, babe. Alex.
Yeah. I know what it looks like, but...
Alex, you're cheating me.
Cheating on you? Honestly speaking, I can explain this. It's not... Babe. Babe! Why did you come in now? Babe, can you calm down now and at least listen to me?
Listen to you for what exactly? No, tell me. Oh, now I get it. The lady you brought into this house is your mistress, right? So you brought her into this house so you can have your way anytime you want it.
Watch your mouth, okay? Watch your mouth and let me explain.
Explain what?
Can you just keep quiet and let me explain?
No, what do you want to explain? Explain that you're not flirting? Explain that you brought in a stranger into our home for no good reason. Explain that the underwear and condom just magically appeared in our wardrobe. Is that what you want to say?
I found them on my car. Okay?
I knew it. I knew it. I knew that you were cheating on me. Alex, I knew you were cheating on me. I knew it. Oh, so your mistress now sends you flirty gifts, right? Okay, it's fine. Just know that two can play this game. Okay?
What do you think you're saying? Huh? What are you even saying?
Just get ready for the long ride. Get ready for it because it will not end well.
Then you go walk out again. That is your job. Any small thing you walk out. Any small thing you walk out. You know, it's so funny. I have never seen her like that. I didn't even know she was capable of using the word she used on me.
Guy, man, things are just falling apart in your home. You just need to figure all this thing out, please. Hopefully, how did that thing even get to your pockets?
I found it on my car. You know, and I was planning to open it when I get to my house. I got to my house, I opened it before I could even see Jack Robinson. She was in the room. Bam! Just like that.
No. This is not good, though. Please, just try to figure this out, please.
I think she saw me when
Babe, you need to see their arguments. Girl, if we continue like this, soonest she will leave this house. Yes, now. Then I will have full access to the bedroom and take the document. Yes, now. Look, that woman is so hot-tempered. If we do more of this, she will leave. Trust me. And you too. don't forget our next plan. Yeah? Thank you. You're doing so well. Oh yeah, now. Go update you later. Go hustle, oh. No do or show free, oh. Collect your money, yo. You hear me? Correct, girl.
All right, guys. Time to take over the world. After all, I was planning to be a barrister before the streets called and I answered. No. Put yourself together. Snatch. Classy. In fact, you die, fine girl. Let me prove to them that I picked something up from Obafemi Owole Road University. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Nah.
Ogbonna.
Come on, my brother. Thanks, man. I did, man.
Yeah. What about your car? You never fixed your car yet?
I'm a mechanic till now.
Okay, put your seat belt.
That mechanic tonight, never seen detect the issue. I don't tire for that guy. Bless I go change mechanic, I swear. This mechanic here. I think this spoil car.
Okay.
Now, why you come late?
I had to branch by the police station, you know. They were trying to see if they could find someone to identify Sophie, but till now, nothing.
Up to now?
My brother, yes, sir.
Ha! This is strange, you.
Very strange. Besides, I have to get to the office on time. I have a meeting with someone today.
Oh, yeah, now. Okay. Let's go on.
Now your mechanic, you sure say the guy knows the Indian?
I doubt. That guy, I don't suspect that guy. You sure say no being the problem for the car. I suspect that guy.
Not to the day.
Yes, because of this mechanic, you can't trust them.
I will send
my
Prado for servicing. Mechanical.
You get any other mechanical fee use?
Yeah.
Because I don't tire. This car don't give me.
Banji is good.
Oh, I know I can. I can get your brand everywhere. I'll get people to trust you and you'll be highly sought after.
1 second. I need to get this call, okay?
Sure.
Hey, Dave. Yeah, how are you? Yeah, I have a client right now, in the middle of a meeting. The project, the project, let's speed things up. Exactly. Yeah, let's do that. So speed things up, and I will check in on you once I'm done with this meeting. How about that? Bye. Okay, I have to call you back. Good. Alright, bye. I am so sorry. I had to get the call. So, let's do this. I am willing to give you a shot.
Really?
Yeah.
So I can start off whenever you're ready.
Sure.
Okay.
So,
and by the time I am done with you and your brand.
Yeah, I am.
Everything will change. Hello, Mr. Alex.
Finally you answered. You have fun now. What's the update? I tried calling you, your number wasn't going through. Did everything go well? For real? You didn't suspect a thing? That's my girl! Thank you. Look, you're doing a great job. In fact, I could make the money I want that you 1.5 million. Yes, now. Thank you. So you don't do actress like this? Okay. Eh? Oh yeah, just me more, just me more.
Alex,
Yeah?
what is this?
What is what?
This. I found it in your bag. Who owns it?
I don't know. Are you sure you're not the owner of that thing?
Mr. Man, quit pretending. Who owns it?
Are you sure this doesn't belong to you?
Oh, please stop it. Who owns it?
How will I know?
How will you know? Did you just say how will you know?
Babe, I have never seen this in my life before.
Are you serious right now? I found this in your bag and you say you don't know how it got into your bag?
Okay, maybe someone is trying to set me up or something. I don't know anything about this. I have never seen this.
Set you up! Can you just stop lying? Stop it! You're just a liar! I found this in your bag. You brought in something for your girlfriend into our home and you're lying about
Sharon,
it.
I have never seen this before. It's my first time seeing this. I don't know anything about this, okay?
Can you just stop it? Stop! Stop lying!
Can you at least believe?
Believe you? Really? You know what? At this point, I don't want you to say anything further. Liar.
Debbie?
Sir?
Put this in my bag.
So it's not me, oh. I didn't touch your bag, sir.
It's not you.
Yes, sir.
So you're ghost living in this house now. Someone put this in my bag and you're saying all of a sudden it's not you. So put it again.
Sir, it's not me, oh. It's not me.
So okay, I'm going to plant cameras in this house. I can see everything happening in this house. Someone's going to set me up. You know, I still don't understand how the jewelry box ended up in my bag. It makes no sense to me.
Do you think one of your girls would have put it wrong?
Well, of course, it's not me. But the thing is, why? Why?
But I mean, I'm not sure any of them would have done that. Your maid, the other one is blind. They can't do that.
But
even
then,
your wife, I'm not sure she will want to cause any trouble with you.
There's so much going on in my house right now. I just don't want to add more fuel to already burning fire. Man.
Wait. You were with a lady yesterday in your office, right?
Yeah, yesterday, Judy, the girl that came for the brandy.
Yes.
She must have forgotten it at my office.
Maybe she.
Yeah. That makes sense now. Sorry, let me... Hi, hello Judith, how are you? Did you forget by chance your jewelry box at my office yesterday? Sorry? You didn't? Okay, all right, thank you. No, it's nothing. It's all right. Thanks.
She's not the one?
She's not the one. What is going on?
This is strange.
Babe, hurry up now. Yeah, I'm home now. I'm waiting for you. Okay, I'm just seated outside waiting. Let me know when you get there quickly. Now, forward with the search. Okay? Yes. Hello? Hello? Hey! Hello? Hello? Excuse me! Something.
Wait.
Don't you dare stop me.
Can you just wait?
Hey? It doesn't go to this now.
Good stuff.
I guess we can work this out.
There is nothing to work out. You're a liar and a cheat. That's what you are. You know what? You could just go get your family or better stay with this, you blind bat.
Please, Sharon.
Excuse me.
You're taking this. Oh, you're going too far. Please, just calm down.
Why you leave it? I can't continue like this.
Sharon, please, just calm down.
Babe. Babe.
Just calm down.
Just don't want to be this person.
Just feel. Listen, you know me. Just calm down.
As in, you don't reach to pack your things to go for house.
Neat. Neat. I handled everything clearly. Sophie. Hey. God. Sophie, please now. I begged you. I knelt down. No, I know you were not here, but honestly, to God, I knelt down for you. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to lie down? In fact, I'm leaning down. I'm lying down. I'm lying down for you. I'll prostrate. I'll do anything you want me to do, but please now, focus. Let's collect this money and stop our shower walk. I don't tire. Please now. That woman is out of the house. Is this not the best time for you to just go and handle everything and collect what you have to collect and come out of there? Sophia, don't tire. You never tire to do this work. Sophia now. I said one of the phone in love. I said one of the phone in love for what kind of wahala is this now, You Alright, bye. So we'll get this movie.
What is happening? This is taking longer than I expected. Oh. She's out of the house now? Oh, finally. Good. Then do whatever you have to do already. Don't keep me waiting for too long. Yes, I'm running out of patience. Oh, finally. So, you are not blind? What's your problem? Why don't you mind your business? Why are you prognosing? What is your mission in this house? You're very stupid. You're going to keep your mouth shut. Am I clear? Going to call up first. Things for me. Oh
from this far for you to go through. Mind your business, you're just a man.
Sir, I am telling you the truth. Sophie can see, she's just pretending to be blind. Sir, I saw her in your room.
So we can see.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir. She's lying against me.
I swear to God, I was only trying to find my room. Sir, please, I don't know what she's talking about.
You say Sophie can see.
Yes, sir.
So, what were you in my room?
Sir, I went to clean your room.
And you saw her doing what?
She was just standing there.
Standing. Which means that she probably lost her way and found her way into my room. You know, not every blind person can find their way around without the aid of someone. You should be giving her kudos for being able to move around with just a walking stick. She's really doing a fantastic job.
Can you just stop harassing her? I believe you have house chores to do.
You do?
So get to that. Get to your work.
Sir, I'm not lying. I wasn't doing anything in your room.
It's okay. Alright. It's okay, I believe you actually. I have handled it. It's okay. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You should sit down. Alright?
Watch for this. Debbie, get her some cold juice or something.
So she's not blind after all. What is she up to? What is this game? And what if she's been working behind the scene all this while? But why is Oga not seeing this? No wonder she's dodging all these questions. She's been acting strange.
Hey! It's okay. It's alright. Don't worry. I got you, okay? I got you. Yeah? Oh my God.
I said I wouldn't catch feelings. I was fine behind my walls. Now you got me overthinking every time you call. Some days I feel the magic, other days I run away. I don't know if it's fear or love, but it don't feel the same. You say take your time, but my heart don't wait. Every look you give me got me losing my place. I'm falling in love, but I'm still confused. Want you close, but I'm scared to choose. One step forward, two steps back. I want your heart, but I got my vibes. Start your silence. Then your name crossed my mind.
Oh, don't be like that. What are you doing here dressed like that?
I'm going to the kitchen to get water. The tap in my room suddenly stopped running.
Okay,
I've been trying to call Debbie, but she's not answering.
yeah, I'm sure she should be, back soon. She probably went to get something. Why are you dressed like this?
Okay, sir. Sir, am I in the kitchen?
You're not. But tie this thing well. Your breast and your hips and
Okay, sir.
everything is short.
Sorry, sir.
All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sophie.
Sir?
Yeah. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Nina, he kissed you. So did you guys, Oh, such a faithful man. Even when his wife is not around, he didn't touch it. Hey! Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm just coming from one parole like that, so I'm so happy. That man a better person. He just carry me, go house, leave me, I sleep. He don't touch me. And this morning, he give me my complete money. Oh, man, it's not so I shower work they do. Everybody go, they do am. See, I beg, girl, do fast now. Do fast. This thing don't they take time now, eh? Forget this fantasy. No go fall in love. I dey beg you now. Just focus on the mola and bring am. Eh? Yeah. Okay. Bye.
This thing that here we're here now. I couldn't have kept this thing. Debbie! Debbie!
Yes, sir? So,
Debbie? Who took my money from my room?
sir, it's not you.
Who took the money I left in my room? Money is missing in my room. Who took the money?
Sir, Sophie must have taken it.
Sophie must have taken it.
Sir,
Then you go accusing again. She's blind, damn it! Who took my money?
I saw her sneaking around.
Then you go accusing again.
Hey God, this
Where's my money?
This girl, I don't know why she like doing this to me. I said, not take your money.
Look, I just need to see my money, okay? That's all.
Sir, If you can't find your money, we can check the whole house.
I don't care. I just need to see my money, that's all.
Sir, please, you can stay in my room.
Please, with all pleasure. I need my money. What the hell is my money?
Let's go to my room.
Debbie, you've been searching the bag and the wardrobe for some time now. Obviously, it's not there. You know what? Just leave it, okay? Let's go check your room. Let's go check your room. Let's go and search your room. You've searched this thing long. Can you arrange our things back in the wardrobe? Put it there. Let's go search your room.
I didn't take...
Let me see that.
Sir, I didn't take the money. I didn't even know how it got in my bag.
Sir, you didn't take the money. And you don't know how it got to your bag.
Sorry.
So you stole my money. And you tried to pin it on this punk here. Huh?
Sir, no problem.
Now pack your things and leave my house immediately.
Pack your things and leave my house right now. Are you mad? Pack up! Out! I don't blame you. Your bag! Get out! Get out! Come here! All of this! Pick it up! Bloody thief! I tell you, go. It's yours. I'm sorry, man. It's okay. What are you still doing here? Huh? Get out!
Sir.
Yeah.
Is the money complete?
It doesn't matter, okay?
I don't know why that girl hates me. But I'm glad my God has vindicated me.
I'm sorry about this, okay?
I'm sorry too, sir.
Would you want me to lead you out?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. So sorry.
Thank you, sir.
There's water on the floor, so you need to be careful. Just come this way.
Debbie.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day. How are you?
You called. You said my husband threw you out of the house. What did you do?
Yeah, I did nothing. He found his missing money long. I swear to God, I didn't touch the money. I'm sure Sophie planned all these things to set me up, ma. I did not touch the money. I caught her in August's room. Ma, Sophie can see. I saw her.
Wait a minute, you mean Sophie can see?
Ma, she can see clearly. Sophie can see, ma. I swear to God.
You said you saw her in the room.
I don't know why Oga will not believe me. I saw her, ma.
Okay, get into the car.
Okay.
So, I'll be going to work very soon. I hope you can manage on your own.
Yes, sir. I can manage.
So, one more thing. The police called this morning. They have a positive result about your family. So, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyways, I'll be going to the police station on my way to work to get updates on, whatever they have. Well, I'm sure it's something good.
Okay, sir.
And, get enough food for you in the microwave. You know how to get to the microwave, of course.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
there's enough food there for you to last you the whole day. So, don't worry. Before you know it, I'll be back.
Okay, sir.
You're up.
Sir, please, I can explain. I'm very sorry, please.
The good thing is that you can see. When did the miracle happen?
Let me tell you the truth.
He is my ex-fiance. We were supposed to get married in the US. But things got sour. We entered into a business deal, agreed to split $500,000. But he took everything, disappeared with the money and returned to Nigeria to marry someone else. I want you to deal with him.
That's wickedness. Oh, man. Just look at him. He looks like a womanizer. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. So, what am I supposed to do for you?
Good. I want you to retrieve a document from him. It contains a check alongside other information. Get it for me and I will pay you your money.
Okay. To retrieve a document. It doesn't sound like a bad thing. But Mercy, the work might sound small, but it's a lot of work. I know that you need to pay me good money. Something worth my expectation.
You don't have to worry about that. I will pay you 10 million naira.
10 million?
You heard me.
Sir, please forgive me. That money too big. And I really need money to stop my street lifestyle. I beg, forgive me. I get brother and sister where they take care of. I beg.
The problem is not you needing money. The problem is you allowing her use you to destroy my family.
Okay, I'm very sorry. Madam, I beg, let me beg your husband. I beg. I'm sorry, please.
Let me tell you about Naomi. Naomi and I were supposed to get married. We did business together. We made lots of money from it. A lot of money. We started to share the money 50-50. She squandered her own share. Every bit of it. On boys. Specifically. I couldn't take it, so I left. And I met my beautiful wife. And I got married to her. But Naomi would not give up. She's bitter. And hence she used you. She used you to almost mess up and destroy my home.
Oga, how would they know the truth? Not just money with me I want. I beg. See, if you allow me go like this, you will not go ever see me again. I beg.
I would let you go. To the police. Officers, take her away.
Officer, wait, make I tell you something. Officer, now hustle idea. I don't
Will
want to am again.
And if
Officer,
I can advise, she's been trying to feel darkness and feel blindness for some time now. So maybe lock her in a dark room. Let's give her a taste of her own medicine.
Officer, move.
Officer,
Will
beg.
you move or you want us to use force on you?
Hey.
Move.
Hey, God, this girl, man,
Move.
Officer, I get brother and sister and they take care of him. This one a big fuck up.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for how I treated you. I'm sorry for not listening to you. And most importantly, I should have sought your consent before bringing a stranger into our home. But I'll make it right. I promise.
I should have trusted you. I'm sorry I let lies cloud my judgment. I'm sorry. It's true.
Debbie, I'm sorry for how everything panned out. And you've been amazing throughout all of this. We would increase your salary.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. And thank you for everything.
There's food in the kitchen, so help yourself out.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you. And Konji has been
Did you just
actually
stop?
don't say now. I've been I don't just say can I get the real one?
I've been walking with my heart closed, trying not to feel too much. Every road I took was lonely, every hand afraid to touch. Then you came without a warning, like soft rain on thirsty ground. You didn't ask me to be perfect, you just stayed when I was down. You see the cracks in my silence, you hear what I never say. With you I don't hide my shadows. You love me anyway. You are where I rest.
Morning light through broken blinds, I count my worries one by one. Every road I thought was straight